So I had broadcast fail. I was talking about this a little while ago. Don't know why that has happened. I'm running cable and it's happened 3 times now in the past little while where I just get kicked off. Of course, it kicks me off when I'm doing very well. So I believe I lost everything for that pistol on that game. Looks like I gotta restart there. Alright. It just says, no, it just says internet fail. But, the past couple times that it's done it, it says that I can only play LAN, and then I gotta reconnect, and then go through it again. But this time it just disconnected me, and then it restarted, so I'm not too sure why it does that. It's probably just the internet provider is high quality in the area. Has been working a lot better running a cable directly to the Xbox, though. And everybody's yelling at me. Strong feeling that was going to happen running through that door. Oh, Buddy McFarlane's playing pistols only, it seems like, too. No? Ah, he snaked me. Oh. Long shot double kill. General 2 promotion. The Xbox just told me 10 hut. It's kind of funny. Didn't even need to reload. Let's get that UAV going. Oh, let's get behind this person. Ah! What a nice couple kills there. And again, forgot to switch my character. Nice thing, I'm gonna run up. Oh, perfect, Guardian. Whoa, that was definitely a headshot on that first guy. Not too sure where I'm gonna put this Guardian. You know what, let's slap it right here. Well, most guys will throw down a Guardian and kind of just watch that area because it slows down the guys quite a bit, but I'll let them walk into it. Oh, too many of them there. Wow. 3 deaths, not even a kill. Garbage.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
And we got a hostile UAV. Where are you? Oh, somebody's locked onto me. There it is. Let's try to get them before they go anywhere.
UAV inbound.
Nice. Oh, and you cannot go through that wall. Another really big thing when you're playing with a headset, you pretty much hear everything, so you can really tell when people are walking around you, enemies or everything like that. So definitely helps a lot. Play through the TV, it tends to go really bad. You don't get footsteps around you. If you do, they're very, very dull. You don't even notice them. I think they're all spawning this way. Okay. Got some UAV action going. And of course, they're all on the other end of the map. And these guys like to play the top. Ooh. Let's get a care package going. Hopefully we get something good.
UAV inbound.
Oh shit, they're all gonna push my one side. Another hardened sentry. It's the first one I've ever received on this. And just because we'll just slap it right there. At least protect that side of the map. Not sure what that guy was doing, but I'll take it. Come on. Oh, should have waited another second. I would have had him. Yeah, it's a lot faster. Boom. Nice, got him.
Don't.
Bacon. And these guys are always in this room, so I'm sure I'll probably hit one of them. Ah. Alright, let's try to get that final kill with a pistol. I've been trying for pretty much every day that I play. I've yet to achieve it yet. Nope, didn't make it happen. 20 and 12, though, I'll take that with a pistol. I don't even know what that picture is of. Shots. Yeah, we're not doing shots tonight, but if you like the page, you know, you can always just throw a donation. But we will definitely be doing donations on Friday night. And this will be that is it for me for the night. I do have to work in the morning, so I think that was a pretty good pistols only stream. I know. I'll tell you after. Working is for losers. That's why we're gonna make this This page is just ridiculous, so I won't have to go to work anymore. All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming out. That's it for me. Again, like I said, yeah, we'll get the Facebook and YouTube and Twitter and everything like that up and running hopefully this week. You don't know who I am. I've never seen you before, sir. Um, but ciao.